Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Honorable Mr. Rajani Budi Manaje and Mr. Raja Khalid Dewati Muhammad PDI as the Director of the Arabic Hida Barnes Foundation, respectable to Mr. Wan M. Nur as the Headmaster of the Arabic Hida Al-Quran Junior High School, and respectable to Mr. Iman M. Nur and respectable to my parents and lawfully and my dear teachers. Hi guys, how are you today? Alhamdulillah, perfect, excellent, is all Akbar. So my name is Anastasia Kendra Mika. Today I will explain about brain rot. Brain rot is a term people use to describe the negative effects of spending too much time consuming digital content such as short videos, social media, and endless scrolling. Even though brain rot is not a medical disease, scientists study this phenomenon because it is related to how the brain works and how habits affect thinking. The human brain learns from repeated activities. When someone often watch fast and entertaining content, the brain gets used to quick information and instant pleasure. This happens because the brain releases dopamine, a chemical, and makes people feel happy and excited. Over time, the brain may prefer short and easy content and find it harder to focus on longer or more difficult tasks. Research shows that too much screen time can reduce attention span and make concentration weaker. People who are used to scrolling may feel bored when reading books, studying, or listening for a long time. This is because the brain is trained to switch attention quickly instead of staying focused. Teenagers are more affected by this problem because their brains are still developing. The part of the brain that controls focus, decision making, and self-control is not fully mature yet. Too many digital distractions can slow the development of these important skills. However, brain rot does not mean the brain is permanently damaged. The effect can be reduced by changing daily habits, limiting screen time, doing physical activities, reading books, and practicing focus can help the brain become healthier. Brain rot is a reminder that balanced digital use is important for mental health. Jadi, brain rot itu kayak pengrusakan, pembusukan otak. Bisa terjadi karena kita tuh terlalu sering menggunakan handphone atau digital, atau kayak apa sih namanya? Terlalu sering main gadget. Kayak misal terlalu sering nonton video-video kayak short di YouTube atau video TikTok atau kayak video reels IG itu kan video cuma mungkin sekitar 15 detik, berapa detik, hanya 30 detik dan sebagainya. Sedangkan itu tuh bisa membuat kita tuh jadi fokusnya tuh cuma sebentar. Kita fokus sebentar udah scroll lagi, fokus sebentar scroll. Itu yang ngebuat kita jadi nggak bisa fokus terlalu lama karena kita udah terbiasa buat fokusnya tuh di hal-hal yang bentar doang. Jadi kayak bisa jadi kalau dengerin guru menjelaskan kayak pelajaran kita bakal kayak susah fokus, kalau enggak gampang nyantol, tapi bisa gampang hilang juga karena kita udah terbiasa untuk melihat hal yang bentar doang terus hilang, bentar hilang, jadi kita pokoknya. Itu sama dengan pembusukan otak. Nah, ini tuh nggak termasuk penyakit medikal sih, tidak termasuk penyakit medis, tapi ini juga bisa mempengaruhi otak lah pokoknya. Kayak ini termasuk hal yang negatif, hal yang buruk, hal yang merugikan. Nah, dia tuh nggak akan jadi penyakit yang permanen. Dia bisa dihilangkan dengan membiasakan kayak melakukan kebiasaan yang lebih positif. Kayak contohnya lebih sering-sering baca buku, lebih mungkin kalau nonton video tuh yang lumayan durasinya panjang, kayak misal podcast itu kan juga membuat kita jadi kayak lebih fokus dalam satu topik. Jadi kayak ngebantu kita jadi lebih melatih buat fokus ke satu hal. I think it's enough for my explanation today. Thank you so much for your attention, and I apologize if there are any my words. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.